Do you want to learn what your voice is capable of? Because it can probably do a lot more than you think.
My faith is deeper than yours.
Everyone can make incredible sounds, but most people just don't know how to do it.
My faith.
High notes, loud notes, agility, beautiful sounds, dirty sounds, it's all possible.
Our 7-day vocal summer camp is designed to help you learn many of the techniques that great singers use to sound incredible.
You'll learn about controlling your vocal registers for belts and nicks, breathing and support, rough vocal effects, and ways to spice up your singing to make it sound more expressive.
Answer to appear while I'm watching people pass. I'm waving through the window.
If you sign up now, you can get the early bird discount for €150 and secure a spot while it's still available.
Starting from July 15th, the full price will be €200.
The vocal summer camp starts on Monday, August 5th and ends on Sunday, August 11th.
We hope to see you there.